Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by picking the role and loadout that give you the most consistent edge. Choose passive buffs or items that match the map. Once selected, enter the match and immediately note spawn points and choke zones so you can claim safe space. Make sure to slot a utility item for escapes or information. This prevents getting trapped. By starting with a plan and the right tools, you turn small advantages into sustained control over the early game and reduce random setbacks. Once in the mid-game, you should convert positioning into tangible wins by holding sight lines and controlling elevation. This forces opponents into predictable routes. Focus engagements where you have cover or numbers. Avoid isolated fights unless you have an escape. Use utility items to interrupt enemy heals, reveal rotations, or lock objectives. Timing these is why they matter. Keep moving after a successful exchange to avoid punishment, and rotate deliberately to capitalize on the openings you create with pressure and information. To finish, you wait for workable weaknesses, low health, split teams, and strike fast with coordinated pushes that minimize exposure. Finishers rely on disciplined peaks, timed utility, and baiting one player into a disadvantage where you can trade cleanly. If things go wrong, don't panic. Pull back to a defensible area, heal or regroup, and reset your approach based on observed enemy patterns. This reset step is crucial. It turns a failed close into an opportunity to reclaim control and apply your advantage with less risk.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.